and how to trade them. One, what I check in valid order block, I want it to be according to the trend. Even if it's not according to trend, let it be that we have a change of trend, like from bullish to bearish or from bearish to bullish. Let it break structure. If it breaks structure, then, and also let it have fair value gap. Do you understand? Confluence of breaker block. Now let's start analyzing here. Now look at what happened here. Initially we are going down. I will add this more of like I don't really know what they call it, SMT divergence. Most times what I call it is double bottom or double top, and I also consider it as a reversal pattern, especially when I see this in the POI of around where I want to take a buy or when I take a sell. So this happened. After this is what we called coach, change of character. Though on the smaller time frame, like 1 minute, 2 minutes, it's more of like a break of market structure. Then here we had a proper break of market structure. So first is when I saw this, on lower time frame, the person must have seen an entry here, probably 1 minute, 5 minutes. The person must have seen an entry here. So but that's not what we are looking at. So let's look at other block, the most kind of valid other block we have. So here, this already broke structure. This move already broke structure, and what we have here, it's we have fair value gap here. This is fair value gap, confluence of breaker block. Let me make this bigger. I think I posted this trade on the group, so this is more of like a recap. This is fair value gap. Rules of fair value gap: you can take from the tip, you can take from 50% of it. Most times when I'm taking from the tip, I share my risk into two. So once I share my risk into two, I take one from the tip, just as to avoid being like the market moving without you. So you take one from here and take the second one from here. Your SL will be at the top, at the bottom. That's if you're using fair value gap entry. So but if you're using order block, now the qualification of order block, I want it to break structure, I want it to have fair value gap, which this is it, what we have here. This is what we have here. You can see it. So look at how the market came, sniped it, and up it go, like with momentum, which same thing you will repeat here. Look at now, we'll still have a break, another break of structure. This is it. It broke this structure, broke this, you see, which is show you the bullish move again. So now coming back to what I showed initially as well, this is a fair value gap, very tiny though. This is a fair value gap. Do you understand? Then this is the other block, what the valid order block will have here, which look at what they did here. most time once I see this other block, this kind of other block, I use them in confluence with this, just not to be left out. So look at what they did here. It was like a snipe. 0 pips drawdown. You see, 0 pips drawdown. Came here and flied. Came here and flied. So this is how to get the most valid order block. And again, if you're checking a valid order block, I also explain the concept of discount and premium. Let the order block be in discount or premium depending on if you're buying or selling. So this is just how to get a valid order block. Spot it up in the trend according to your trend, according to order flow, and boom, you're off to go. Now most times once you get your risk to reward, you close and walk away. You understand? This did over 100 pips, if not more than. By then you should be off the market.